This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, and it isn't a landscape from Mars. What you're looking at is completely real, a place that has been quietly evolving for millions of years, hidden from most of the world. Giant umbrella-shaped trees rise above rocky mountains, strange plants cover the landscape, and almost everything feels completely unfamiliar. It looks like another planet, yet this incredible place exists right here on Earth. It's called Socotra Island. Located in the Arabian Sea near Yemen, Socotra is often described as the most alien-looking island on our planet. Even today, scientists continue to uncover new secrets about its extraordinary ecosystem. But how did this island become so different from everywhere else? The answer begins millions of years ago. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, Socotra became separated from the African mainland. Since then, it has remained isolated while the rest of the world continued to change. With very little contact from surrounding ecosystems, life on the island followed its own path. Plants and animals slowly adapted to powerful winds, rocky mountains, intense sunlight, and long dry seasons. Over countless generations, completely unique species evolved. Today, more than 1/3 of Socotra's plant species exist nowhere else on Earth. If these plants were ever lost, the world wouldn't simply lose another species. It would lose millions of years of evolution that can never be recreated. Nearly 90% of the island's reptiles are also found nowhere else. But of all the incredible life that evolved here, nothing is more famous or more extraordinary than the trees that seem to defy the laws of nature. The most famous symbol of Socotra is the dragon blood tree. Its giant umbrella-shaped crown isn't just beautiful. It protects the tree from the harsh sun while helping it conserve precious water. Hidden beneath its bark is a deep red resin that gave the tree its legendary name. For thousands of years, people have used this mysterious resin as medicine, dye, varnish, and even in ancient rituals. Its valuable resin has been collected and treasured for centuries. Nearby grows another remarkable plant known as the bottle tree. Its swollen trunk stores water during long periods of drought before producing bright pink flowers that seem impossible in such a dry environment. Almost every corner of Socotra reveals another strange plant or unusual animal found nowhere else on Earth. Walking across the island feels less like exploring nature and more like stepping into a forgotten chapter of Earth's history. Just when you think Socotra couldn't become any stranger, it does. The island is home to rare birds, reptiles, insects, and countless plants that evolved in complete isolation. Some species changed so much over millions of years that they no longer resemble their closest relatives anywhere else on Earth. Every scientific expedition continues to reveal something new. That's why researchers from around the world are fascinated by Socotra. It offers a rare opportunity to watch the results of evolution almost as if time had slowed down. In many ways, the island provides a glimpse into what our own planet may have looked like millions of years ago. It also helps scientists understand how life survives and adapts in some of the most challenging environments imaginable. Despite its incredible beauty, Socotra is becoming increasingly vulnerable. Climate change, stronger storms, invasive species, and growing human activity all threaten this fragile ecosystem. Many of the island's unique plants grow extremely slowly. If they disappear, they could take centuries to recover, or they may never return at all. To help protect this extraordinary biodiversity, UNESCO recognized Socotra as a World Heritage Site. Conservation projects are now working to preserve its unique wildlife before it is too late. Protecting Socotra means protecting millions of years of natural history that simply cannot be replaced. Socotra reminds us that some of Earth's greatest wonders remain hidden in places few people will ever visit. Its extraordinary trees, unique wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes prove that our planet is still capable of surprising us. You don't always have to travel into space to discover another world. Sometimes, another world has been here all along, quietly waiting to be explored. Socotra is more than just an island. It is living proof that Earth still holds incredible mysteries. And perhaps the greatest discovery isn't finding another habitable planet, but realizing how extraordinary the one we already have truly is.